Nak Jingja Thai Bomb Dynamite Akram Doyong Hatangsko, East Chanda Hills District, Manakasantarek Urumpangar Japun Rio. Kabla Shimik Jing M. Arpanyong Permansao Bungut Kinong Balati Doyong, Kasorgar Jala, Jinglam Kamat Bapurstone Tansong, Sambut Menteri Rangba Berikmi Iktrat Kampo Yeng, Kalumik Jingalang, no Paisi Kandaitrek Urumpangar Japun Rio, Banyathir Halorgani. Habakran Jigla Thai Kubor, Hading Jingithir, Bapurstone Lapentip, Kasorgar Jala, Latau, the Judicial Inquiry Commission, Hapok Commission of Inquiry Act. Bantokit benia halor jingcha Thai Bomb Dynamite but Shannon Thong Yo Chairman halor jingli lak sarkar ka tipne em ke jingdon ki kam ti deu yang bi anya ke jela wa poston la ong bon sien ki kam bi an la pengat kat kum ki kendon an lom ba jingcha dangshen ka dei ke bodon se jangai ba ba stom ki pulit ban budien reu la ban rapat bementa hakapor badang rang kum ke sarkar kan khamle tenge ban kendang ki kam ti deu yang bi an
has taken a decision that we will constitute the Judicial Inquiry Commission as far as this incident that has happened recently, and ultimately we will hand over everything to them. And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out the investigation or whatever accordingly. See, right now we have already gone all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spent all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two, again, yes, today, within 10 days time, again, we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court. And I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court. So let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side. See, whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it, the record. We have tried our best. But now, again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you, right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop.
Halok Jingduna ki bor pulit ban pahara ki kram doyong bi an da kunhuan pahara nak sarkar India ba perston loang ba shen thep kam lai jarngut ba yamantahi dangla bante lakam hagabede ba jingdawa bo konrad ki sangma uriban hiar nak shuki menteri rangba namar ka tegi jingja ba perston lo ma kadai ga ma di kran sanyi ma ba laro bandawa yu ba un hiar shuki Hagawai perkaliang gula pentep badu menta kecingkam ikitrai kram doyong kadang saahi arngon bakcingtuat ikiwei kadang beteng.
The question of the time frame does not arise because any illegalities happens maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We are going all out to close it. No, right now I think right now we are. It's still manageable for the manpower, and very soon you know well that we are also going to fill up those vacancies that we have, about 3,000 posts in police department. So I'm very sure once this issue is done, we will at least manageable to handle things. This is a political issue. So anything you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that Preston also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing, we take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop immediately. Well, yes, the operation is still on, and right now no recovery of death or something. But still, of course, we have asked the concerned personnel to still see if there is any more trap or any more dead bodies, so that they are on the ground. We are yet to, right now we have already arrested 2 and now we are ngatrai ngan dia begin batai lot kita baru kamlong naban ta ki police jong ikilong on the job ban find out nabar lengba jong kini ki bala sakem ru kinang ya find out kumno dot kan no ki ek bin bol nang tamano manusu ya kata ngan melaban batai ya menta te ailat yang ini nakalian ka police department ba kin find out ya ki jiksi sabar ko kan no ki don ki to ki miners la ni ki no ki ba involved by ki illegal mining
Habatin pej bahagi ki sharp plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataye kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F hakajing som Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya